In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely uninstall and remove WooCommerce and its data from your WordPress site. Whether you're tidying up your dashboard, switching e-commerce systems, or simply decluttering, this guide will walk you through every step to ensure no remnants are left behind. First, you're going to want to head over to wordpress.com. This is where it all begins, and you'll need to log in to access your site's dashboard. If you're not already logged in, don't worry. Just click on Log In at the top right corner. Enter your credentials and press Enter to gain access to the control center of your WordPress activities. Once logged in, you will be directed to the WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel, where you'll manage all your site's components. We're going to focus on accessing and modifying your plugins, so look for the menu on the left side of the dashboard. Here, you'll find Plugins. Go ahead and click on it. This section houses all the plugins currently installed on your WordPress site, whether they are active or dormant. Now, direct your attention to the list of installed plugins. You'll want to find WooCommerce in this list. It's likely near the top if it's actively being used, but you might need to scroll a bit if you have a long list of plugins. Once you've found WooCommerce, hover over its name. You'll see a couple of options pop up. The first step here is to deactivate the plugin. Click on Deactivate. This action essentially turns off WooCommerce, preventing it from running but not yet removing it. With WooCommerce deactivated, the next step is to fully remove it from your site. At the same spot where you deactivated it, you'll now see an option to delete. Click on this, and a prompt will likely pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove WooCommerce. Confirm your action, and WordPress will take care of uninstalling the plugin. Once that's done, you've successfully removed WooCommerce from your site. It's a straightforward process, but it's crucial to follow these steps to ensure that WooCommerce and all its associated data are entirely removed from your WordPress dashboard. There you have it, a simple and effective way to clean up your WordPress environment by uninstalling WooCommerce. Remember, if you ever decide to reintroduce e-commerce functionality to your site, installing WooCommerce again is just as easy as removing it. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.